Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some drumsticks and some lollipop chicken right here. So I thought I had a whole bag of lollipop chicken, but I didn't. My wife ate them up.
I did not.
And I also have some shrimps right here. We have some skewers over there. I already soaked them, all that good stuff. We have our honey. We have our garlic, our herb, everything over there. You know what I mean? So we're going to make a bacon wrap, lollipop chicken, honey, garlic, and herb. But we're gonna get it right, though. You know what I mean? We're going to name it right. And we also have our bacon right here. So what we're going to do right now, we'll go ahead and season it up. And yes, we putting this on the grill. It's going right on the grill. So that's that good roasted garlic and herb right there. And we got a lot of chicken in there. Okay, so we have everything seasoned. Now we're going to do the same thing with the shrimp. We'll season them bad plays up. So we're going to do the shrimp. We don't need to go too crazy. The garlic and herb. Okay. So with the shrimp, we'll go ahead and add a little bit of vegetable oil so that seasoning can stick. There we go right there. I'll go ahead and throw my gloves on. We'll go box it on. Okay, so go ahead and place these shrimps on the stick. So we'll get 4 on each one. Trying to give me some time, man. I really don't too much do long videos like this. I do like 15 minutes at the most. But I gotta get them watch hours in. So if y'all don't mind, I appreciate it if y'all play my playlist. And that'll help me. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. Okay, so see a lollipop chicken. Got a couple more down there. So we just wrapping them with some bacon. Tighten it up a little bit. Boom. Grab a toothpick. Yeah. Stick it through there. That's it. Just like so. Now we got a whole piece of chicken. We'll do the same thing. Let's go wrap it. Okay. We're gonna do one more on camera. So I get this good time in. Appreciate everybody for the sending condolences to my family and a prayer for my family, for me and my family. We need it right now. Alright, there we go right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this chicken up, then we're gonna light up that grill. Okay. Go ahead and set our chicken up here. See, a lollipop chicken right there. Another lollipop chicken. So we're adding our butter. We'll make our rub now. Sweet chili. Okay, now we're gonna add our honey. No measuring tonight. Dill and garlic. Some parsley flakes. We have our little brush right here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the microwave so everything can come together and that butter can melt. Okay, so I have to bring them in the house to put our little rub on there because they playing some loud music out there, they party. So boom, right there. And then we'll go ahead and put this back on the grill with everything else. just rubbing everything all over. We just rubbing this herb and butter and garlic all over this chicken. That smells good. That smells really good. Just rub it all around. Got that good buddy honey, garlic, herb, everything on there. Alright, so that's how we looking right there. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. We had a bacon wrap, honey, garlic, and herb, a lollipop chicken, and a drumstick. Looking good, tasting good. Had that corn on the cob. We have our shrimps. I'm doing my thing in this, well, I was gonna say in this good kitchen. I'm doing my thing outside on that grill. For real, making it happen. You know, I'm so used to cooking in the kitchen, not going on the grill. But there we go right there. Nice grilled chicken, bacon wrap, grilled shrimp. The corn on the cob, I boiled it for a while and then put it on the grill. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.